the make, model, and the year of your bike?
This is a 2021 Can-Am Ryker Rally.
Okay. Did you buy it used, new, or?
Bought it new.
How long you been riding?
I've been riding about 10 years now.
You've always had this, or did you had a different bikes and then you started with the Rykers?
No, I had different bikes, and then I took a break for a while.
Okay.
And then I wanted something just to relax on, so I got this.
Okay.
But then I also got a 23 Harley Sportster S.
Okay. So you ride. So right now you have two bikes.
I have two bikes. Yeah.
So sometimes you ride the Sportster, sometimes you ride this.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Whenever the wife wants to come and relax.
The wifey is right here. Yeah. She's the passenger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Sportster's more for fun for me.
Where do you take it normally? Are you like mostly taking it to the highways or side street? What do you prefer?
Either one's fine.
Either one. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, with this, probably side streets. Highways get a little boring.
Highways get a little boring.
Yeah.
Did you do anything to this, or was it just like their stock when you bought it?
No, I did a lot of stuff to it.
Okay.
I did my own wraps, first time wrapping.
Yes.
Came out pretty decent.
Okay, very nice looking. Yeah, definitely. And I'm glad you did, because then it stands out and it's like custom for you.
Yeah.
Then we know that this is you.
I
from
wanted
this.
to be different. So
Yeah.
I figure, red camo, nobody has that.
Right. And what else did you do?
Just basic stuff, lights, some Bluetooth.
Okay. Bluetooth
Bags,
speakers.
Bags, yeah.
How's the ride on it? Tell us for the users compared to a regular bike. Is it comfort-wise and all that? How is it? Is it like a touring sport kind of a comfort? Would I compare
like
that?
Touring, very, very comparable to a touring, but not like a touring bike, more like a touring scooter.
Touring scooter?
It's
Okay.
automatic.
Yeah, is it automatic?
It is automatic.
Does it also have a reverse
It
gear?
does have reverse gear.
Okay.
And the gears right here.
Okay.
Basically
Reverse gear is manual, right?
Yeah, it's basically just forward and reverse.
Okay.
So with that, you kind of lose that excitement of shifting on a regular motorcycle.
Okay.
If they would have made this in a manual, I think it would have been much more fun.
Oh, you would have preferred that?
I would prefer it if they would.
But I think the client base that they're going after, maybe they wanted to.
Yeah.
But I totally see your point, because you have a Harley also. You want to feel the clutch and the changing of the gear.
Yeah, if it wasn't for that, I think this would be a keeper.
Okay.
I'll probably be putting this bike for sale soon.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, really? And what's your plan? If you put this for sale, what is your plan to get something else? What would that be?
Eventually a bigger touring cruiser, like my friends over there, they all have big Harley bikes.
Oh, so you're going to get one of those Harleys?
Most likely, yeah.
Okay. Would you also consider like an Indian or just a Harley?
I would consider an Indian.
Indian, because they look very similar. That's what I was asking
They're
you.
very similar. And there's pros and cons. I mean, some are
To an Indian, right?
Indians are a lot lighter too.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So I would definitely consider it.
To an Indian, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, nice meeting you. Very nice. Thanks for coming by. You come often
Yeah.
to Bikes and Breakfast?
Can-Am.
Okay.